Hi, this video tutorial is all about finding the factorial of a given number. So first of all, I'm going to define the factorial. Actually, the factorial is defined as the product of all the positive integers starting from the given number all the way down to 1. For example, the factorial of 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and that is equals to 24. So we say here the factorial of 4 is 24, and you can observe some other examples over here. Now I hope that you have understood what a factorial is. Now try to establish a logic in your favorite programming language to find the factorial of a given number. However, I will be explaining the logic that which is in my mind using the Python code. Welcome back. Here the logic is just established using the loops. Here you can find the Python code required to find the factorial of a given number. So here the first thing that I have done is just created a function fact of num, and in place of this num I will pass in the number. So let us say this is 4 in this case, and in this function I have created this result variable and assigned 1 to this initially. So you can observe its usage in a second, and here is the second block, that is the main block of the core, is the loop. So here I am iterating from 2 to the given number. In this case it is 4. So totally I am having 3 iterations, and in each of the iteration this result value is being updated. So in the first iteration the result value is 1, and for the first iteration this result is going to be multiplied by 2. That means the value there is going to be 2, and this result value is going to be updated by 2. And for the next iteration, as we know that the value of result is 2, for the next iteration 3 will be multiplied with this 2, and that gives us 6, and then 6 multiplied by 4, that gives us 24. So here finally I will return the result in this function. So here is the value 24, and here we can print the value that is just written from this function using this statement over here, and you can observe its effect if I run the code, and you can observe it over here. So it is giving 24. That means our code is correct. So this is how we can find the factorial of a given number. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask them in the comment section below, and if you want the Python code, you can check out the link in the description box below. And stay tuned for other videos by subscribing to the channel and by liking this video.